bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We're meant to be in the great outdoors.
Well, what I got here, I'm adjusting my dipoles. This is for 80. Excuse me. This is for 80, 40, and the multi-band G4RV. And I got it like, I don't know how long is that pole. It looks like a fishing pole. I don't know, it's about, shit, look how, it's all aluminum, very light aluminum. And it's a little bent. And that's gonna hold all my dipoles, 3 dipoles. 80, 40, and the last one is the G4RV. And I'm gonna try to get the coax hooked up to the mast, so when as I bring it up, it doesn't, oh my god, it doesn't break, it doesn't bend. I don't think it's gonna break, but it sure is gonna bend with the weight. Like I said, it's aluminum, 4 feet pieces of aluminum all the way up. This used to have my 10 meter 4-element, but not that long. I think I had it top out here. Let's see how it goes. On top of the roof. There goes my winch. It was remote control, but for whatever reason it doesn't want to work. I got this. I gotta fix this. This is not supposed to come down. Okay. There you go. Oh, holy shit, I couldn't concentrate too much. There you go, I got this on. I got the collar bearing. This is for the beam. This is the rotor I have for the beam. I'm no longer using the beam. But I got my dipoles up there. 80, 40 and the G4RV for the VH, for the low bands. I gotta do is straighten out with these wires.